What is up, Pyros? We have part 2 of Wally World Walmart TNT boxing. This one is $30. We did the $20, and I got me another one of them. I forgot to show that last time. So let's get right into it. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this is worth $30. Let's see. Okay. Already giving me trouble. There we go. Okay, so we got the shooters again, the sky shooters, but this time no box for the sky shooters. We got poker chip, spins on ground and meets flame. That sounds different. We got under the willow. Yeah, shoots flaming balls. That's all it says. Busy Bee shoots flaming balls. I love it when it says shoots flaming balls. Shoots flaming balls. 16. We got one of them already. Got a little monster again. We got the gold barrage. And these are like mini, like Roman candles slash fountains slash mini cake. Like more like stars. Yeah, I'm not reading them because there's no it says shoots flaming balls, guys. That's what it says. So it's Mardi Gras, it's Magic Dragon. So I mean, like you're not missing out on nothing, zombie war. Some cool names, really. Minuteman. We got something to say about you guys. Crackling and Red Star. That one sounds cool. Small and blue with crackling silver. Chrysanthemum. Crackling star with silver fish and blue. That one sounds cool. Small display with multicolor star and chrysanthemum. And crazy ball.